The founder and CEO of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, has made a big move. In my opinion, this move could be a definite game changer for Dogecoin investors. So, let's take a look at it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. The winner will be announced on 25th August. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, I know we talked about this in the last video, but considering how huge it is, I think it's definitely worth another mention. The Dogecoin Foundation keeps getting better and better. Now, it has two new notable board members. One of them is none other than the founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin. Dogecoin started as a meme in 2013, and now it is supported by some of the most influential figures, including Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. Another addition to the board is an advisor to Elon Musk and also the head of his family office, Jared Birchall. In the new iteration, the group of Dogecoin will include its creator, Billy Marcus, and the community advisor. Jared Birchall will be playing the role of a legal and financial advisor. And last but not least, the core developer of Doge, Max Keller, will be the technical advisor. Other members, Jens Weikers, Michai Lumen, and Ross Nickel, stay the same. Clearly, the Dogecoin Foundation has some great members now, but the one I think we're all most excited about is Vitalik Buterin. Let's be real, his big move to Dogecoin can be totally game-changing for Dogecoin investors. To add to that excitement, we have the price prediction of Ethereum. Analysts have very bullish hopes for the coin. According to Nigel Green, the CEO of the DeFi group, Ethereum is going to even cross Bitcoin's value in just a few years. We all know Ethereum is the one coin whose price has grown the most this year, and Nigel Green thinks this trend won't stop anytime soon. In his opinion, the reason for Ethereum's amazing performance is the fact that it has real use potential and it is the most in-demand development platform for smart contracts. And that's true. That's why he thinks the price growth of Ethereum will continue to beat Bitcoin this year and probably in the later years too. Seeing how great Ethereum is doing, it's great to see Vitalik joining the Dogecoin Foundation. Nigel Green isn't the only one impressed by Ethereum's performance though. The founder of Lynn Alden Investment Strategy, Lynn Alden herself, stated that Bitcoin and Ethereum have significantly boosted this year. And according to her, there is still great potential for them. Ethereum's real use potential is definitely quite high, and another great news for today will prove that. A new white paper published by Microsoft talks about an Ethereum-based tool that can help prevent piracy. Piracy concerns have increased a lot these past few years, and that's why researchers at Microsoft have come up with Argus. It completely makes use of Ethereum's blockchain and is a great anti-piracy system. Basically, it looks like Ethereum has very high utility, and that is definitely making its price rise now. This is obviously very bullish news for Doge as well, considering the man behind Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, is joining the advisory board for Dogecoin now. Considering how well Ethereum has performed ever since it launched, we know Buterin definitely knows his way around the crypto industry. And having his smart brains on the Dogecoin Foundation is definitely great news. And then there's the new London fork upgrade, which is boosting the price even more by burning a lot of Ethereum tokens every single day. $395,000 worth of ETH is burnt every single hour after this London fork upgrade. This upgrade has basically activated the deflationary mode for ETH, which is leading to the rise of its price. After all this success, Ethereum is currently priced at over $3,200, and chances are high that this value will only increase. With Buterin joining the board, there is a definite bridge between Doge and ETH now. So there are chances that we'll see Doge go into deflationary mode as well. Taking Doge into deflationary mode is actually being planned. Doge Labs is hoping to create a Doge burn wallet which will make the code go into deflationary mode. If this ends up happening, we'll definitely see the price of Doge really rise. So, thanks to Buterin, Dogecoin might just become the next Bitcoin. Let's just wait and watch. Moving on, let's talk about the correlation between Doge and Bitcoin. It's pretty high now, which is what I've been saying for quite a long time. The correlation between Dogecoin and Bitcoin is at a total of 0.88 now, and as the correlation increases, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have both consolidated. And this correlation is great because we know for a fact that Bitcoin is really strong. Bitcoin held its value above $44,000 even after a hacker apparently took off with millions of dollars in crypto during Asia's trading hours. Japan's liquid exchange announced this hack, and at the time, crypto investors were quite worried about where Bitcoin's value could drop. But obviously, Bitcoin is quite strong and it totally held its ground. Since then, the market capitalization has dropped a bit and Bitcoin has fallen from its 200-day average. A few days back, analysts were predicting a breakout, but that didn't happen. That has worried the investors once again, but the Chief Investment Office at ZeroCap, John DeWitt, thinks there's no reason to worry. According to him, Bitcoin still has support and the price will go back up. All this bullish news and predictions have made people totally crazy about cryptocurrency. FOMO is definitely real, and no one wants to miss out on the amazing opportunity of investing in cryptocurrency. And that's why the adoption rate of cryptocurrency has increased to LOT. Nigeria has become the 6th leading country in the whole world when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption. This came as quite a shock considering the Central Bank of Nigeria itself banned cryptocurrencies. But I guess FOMO was definitely real for Nigerians. Besides Nigeria, the leading nations when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption rates are Vietnam, Pakistan, and India. Talking about cryptocurrency adoption, there's some great news from Argentina as well. The Argentinian president, Alberto Fernandez, is open to the idea of adopting cryptocurrency as a legal tender. Another country in South America, El Salvador, has already adopted crypto as a legal tender and chances are high that Argentina will follow in its footsteps soon. The great news linked to crypto adoption doesn't end there. We all know JP Morgan Bank has registered its passive Bitcoin fund with U.S. regulators already. Well, another bank has joined the club as well. Wells Fargo also registered a private Bitcoin fund with U.S. regulators. With this fund, Wells Fargo has become the recent huge bank that has an indirect crypto investment vehicle. For now, when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption, countries are mostly focusing on Bitcoin, but if the trend keeps up, there are huge chances that Dogecoin will start getting adopted as well. Moving on, Switzerland is making moves towards cryptocurrency adoption as well. In fact, the European payment services provider, Worldline, has already partnered up with Bitcoin Suisse, that is a Swiss Bitcoin services firm. Together, they are planning to launch an omnichannel payment solution that would enable merchants to accept Bitcoin payment in Switzerland. Another Switzerland-based company has made moves as well. Leontech, which is a Swiss financial firm, has recently collaborated with ICF Bank. ICF Bank is one of Germany's leading securities trading banks. With this collaboration, Leontech is hoping to bring crypto assets to investors throughout Germany and Austria. There is some bearish news for today though. Several cryptocurrency traders lost millions of dollars after a major outage occurred at Binance. Many of these investors are planning to hold proceedings against Binance considering they lost millions of dollars. But the proceedings aren't that easy. Considering Binance has no official headquarters, investors don't know how and where to take the company to court for the proceedings. Obviously, this has angered the investors a lot, but hopefully, Binance will find a way out for investors. Now, before we look at Dogecoin's price, let's take a look at the Doge Fear and Greed Index for a minute. It still stands at 68. That's great considering the greed still overpowers the fear, which means a lot of people are looking to invest in Dogecoin. If the trend keeps up, we could see the market cap of Doge go really high. Finally, talking about the price of Doge, it is currently priced at 32 cents. But let's look at the more important part. Over the past 24 hours, the coin has had an increase in value of around 7%. That's really bullish. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.